Chit Chat English.
Hi, I want to learn English. Why is it good? English is good because it helps you get better jobs, find information, and talk to people everywhere. How do I start learning? Start with basic grammar and words. Watch English cartoons, listen to songs, and read simple books. How can I speak like you? Practice talking a lot. Make mistakes, it's okay. Talk with friends who speak English. How can I speak like a native speaker? Practice speaking with American accent. How to learn fast. Learn a little every day. Use apps and talk in English often. Can I learn from YouTube English teaching videos? Yes, YouTube is great for learning. There are many videos for beginners. How do I find good ones? Start with videos for beginners. Are subtitles helpful? Yes, subtitles can help you understand better and learn how words are spelled. What if I don't understand everything? That's okay. Listen for words you know and try to guess the meaning of new words. Can I learn pronunciation from YouTube? Absolutely. Repeat after the speakers to practice the sounds. How often should I watch? A little every day helps. Even 10 to 20 minutes is good. Should I take notes? Yes, writing down new words and phrases can be very helpful. What if I get bored? Change the type of videos. Try English songs, stories, or cartoons too. How to remember new words. Learn words with pictures or in sentences. It helps you remember. How to get better at listening and writing. Listen to English stories. Write short messages in English. How to share my ideas in English. Think in English. Join groups to talk about things you like. How do I fix my accent? You can watch how words are said in videos. What if I'm scared to talk? It's okay to be scared. Try talking with friends or in class. How do I make friends who speak English? Join clubs or online groups about things you like. You can meet people who speak English there. Can I learn from movies? Yes, watch simple movies or cartoons in English. It's fun and helps you learn. Is writing important? Yes, writing helps you remember words and practice grammar. How many words should I learn? Start with a few each day. Even 5 new words a day is good. What if I forget words? It's normal. Keep using the words, and you'll remember them better. How long will it take to be good? Everyone is different. Keep practicing every day, and you'll see improvement. Can I learn English alone? You can start alone, but practicing with others helps a lot. Can I learn English online? Yes, you can. There are many websites and apps where you can learn for free. Is it as good as a real class? It can be very good. You can learn anytime and practice with games and videos. What if I don't understand online lessons? Try different lessons or ask for help in forums. Many people will help. Can I watch English shows? Yes, watching shows is great. Start with simple ones or children's shows. How do I know if I'm getting better? You'll find listening easier and you'll make fewer mistakes when you talk. Is it okay to learn British English? Yes, it's okay. British or American, both are good. Choose what you like. Thanks, you make me hopeful. You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll be surprised. I'm not in America or an English-speaking country, I'm in Korea. Can I still learn English quickly? Yes, you can learn English quickly in Korea too. The internet makes it easy to access English resources. How long will it take to be fluent? It varies, don't worry too much about time, focus on learning a bit every day. You'll see improvement. Thanks, I'm feeling more confident now. That's great to hear. Don't give up.